Saturation arithmetic. That's a type of arithmetic in which all operations must fall within a fixed range, that is, a minimum and a maximum. Within Matlab, such constraints are possible. If you take, for example, int8 and you feed it the value 300, you're going to get the maximum value you can put into an integer of 8 bits, 127. If you feed int8 the value -289, you're going to get back the minimum value you can put into an integer that uses 8 bits, and that's -128. Here's a way of implementing saturation arithmetic. Another point of interest is the rem function, a remainder function. I'm going to take the remainder function, I'm going to feed it the value 20, comma, and I want to take 20, I want to divide 20 by the value 3, close parens. 3 into 20 goes 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. That will give me a remainder of 2, and that's what I should get back, and I do. Could you tell me what's the sign of that 2? I get a 1 back. What does that mean? You get a 1 back if it's positive. Well, what if it's not positive? What is the sign of 3 minus 8? 3 minus 8 is a -5. Sign of a -5 is negative, and so I get a -1. What is the sign of 0? I'll get back a 0. Let's also talk about formatting. I wanted to find out what's the cosine of 1.23. I get .3342. That's the short format. What if I format this as long? And now I key in the cosine of 1.23. What will I get back? Oh, a very long number. Let's go back to format short. And what's the cosine of 1.23? I get back the short version. There are 2 other types of formatting that's important to us, possibly, and that is the format that is by default loose. If I key in 18 times 17, I get 306. Now I want to key in format compact. And once I do that, watch what happens when I key in the same command and the space between these commands and these outputs. Alright, 18 times 17, and oh, everything has been squeezed together. Everything has been compacted. And that's all I have to say for now. This is George Boole.